Alright, so last weekend I picked up this Skidoo MXZ 440. I'm going to go through the carburetor. So I got the air box off and the coils attached to the air box. So you got this plug here and then the spark plug wires and then just these clamps. So go ahead and get these carbs off and we'll take a look. Alright, so we got a Phillips down here. Loosen that up. And we got another Phillips on this side. And they should just slide off like that. Take a 12mm, take the choke cable off. Okay, got the carbs off. I did get a couple different sizes of fuel line. This is 3/16 and this is a 1/4 inch ID. So we'll start off with this one. This is the one that was leaking. I don't know if it was the fuel line right here or if it's something, the float's sticking, but we'll find out. Alright, let's see how bad this is. That's not too bad, a little bit of green in there. Let's see if that... Oh, the float looks pretty good. So it must have been that fuel line that was... might have had a little bit of crack in it. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Probably take these jets out and clean those. Okay, we got some carb cleaner soaking in the bowl here. And we got the pilot jet out, and that looks good. You can see through it. I don't know if... take my word. Yeah, there you go. We'll spray some through it either way. Actually, we'll just sit it in here and put that soaking. Alright, we'll get the... main jet looks good. You can see through that. Alright, this is the second carb, so this was pretty good too. It looks like someone's replaced this needle and seat within the last year or two. It's pretty shiny. So go ahead and button this up and put it back on. Alright, everything's back together. Got new fuel line here. I always buy the Tygon brand. It lasts a long time if you can find that brand. Alright, might take a few pulls to get the gas in there, but let's give it a shot. So this one's not leaking anymore. That's good. So I will have to replace this line too, coming from the tank and probably the pickup line. This one's not looking too good. All right, thanks for watching.